Are you ready? Yes, I'm
Yes, I'm
ready.
ready.
My name is Trisha. What is your name?
Name is Mrs. Seal, and what is your name?
My name is Miss Helen. What is your name?
My name is Miss A, and I am.
Miss A is ready to learn. So let me share my screen so we can get this party started. It's time to read a book. Come with me. It's time to read a book. Come in.
See,
It's
time to read a book.
It's
It's time to read a book.
It's
It's time to read a book. Come with. All right, before we read our book, we're going to stand up and what are we going to do, friends?
Dance.
sing and dance.
Miss Helen, why do we sing and dance before we do our book?
Because it gets our blood flowing to our brains.
And why do we need the blood flowing to our brain, Miss Cecile?
In order for us to learn and ready for our lesson today.
Good job. It also helps us get our what out, Miss A?
Wiggle, wiggle.
It helps us get our wiggle wiggles out. Good job, friends. Let's stand up. F-R-I-E-N-D-S.
I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. I have my friends. I don't sit alone. I don't sit alone. I don't sit alone. I have my friends. All my friends can walk with me. Walk with me. All my friends can walk with me. Walk with me. All my friends can sit with me. Sit with me. All my friends can sit with me. Sit with me.
Move those bodies.
I don't need alone. I don't need alone. I don't need alone. I have my friends. I don't play alone. I don't play alone. I don't play alone. I have my friends. All my friends can eat with me. Eat with me. All my friends can eat with me. Eat with me. All my friends can play with me. Play with me. All my friends can play with me. Play with me.
Move your body.
I don't read alone. I don't read alone. I don't read alone. I have my friends. I don't watch alone. I don't watch alone. I don't watch alone. I have my friends. All my friends can read with me. Read with me. All my friends can read with me. Read with me. All my friends can watch with me. Watch with me. All my friends can watch with me. Watch with me. I walk with all my friends. I sit with all my friends. I eat with all my friends. I play with all my friends. I read with all my friends. I watch with all my friends.
Woo! Put your hand on your heart. Can you feel your heart beating faster now?
Yeah, it's fun.
Yes.
It's pumping fast, which means it's pumping the blood to your brain so we can focus and pay attention. Our bodies are nice and calm now, so we can give our teacher 5 with our eyes looking and our mouths are quiet. Our hands are nice. We're sitting up straight and we're listening with our
Ears.
ears. Mr. Play a part in the audio of the recording. So here is our story. Today is Friday, so our story is Nature Spy. Nature Spy, written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Crisler. Photographs by
Nature
Shelley
Spy.
Rotner.
Written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Crisler. Photographs by Shelley Rotner. I like to go outside, to look around and discover things.
It looks like the season is fall. The leaves are on the ground.
To take a
What do
really
you
close
see?
look. Even closer and closer.
I see a flower.
My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls
Are you
me a
curious?
nature spy.
What do you
Sometimes I look so
see?
closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf.
It's a leaf.
Or one small acorn on a
Look
branch.
inside the acorn.
Or seeds in a pod. I notice the
What
feathers
is
of a
on the
bird.
bird? There are feathers.
Feathers of the bird.
Or the
Good job,
golden
Mrs.
eye
Seal.
of a frog.
What do you see, Mr.? We're recording.
When you look closely,
Take a
things look so
closer
different.
look. What do you think you see?
Like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest. The seeds of a sunflower or even a rock. Sometimes there's a pattern, like ice on a frozen pond
Ooh, I see ice.
or a spider's web
Spider
or
web.
a butterfly's
And I
wing.
see patterns on the butterfly. What color is the butterfly?
You got orange, black.
Orange. Oh,
Everything has
what
its
do you
own
see
shape,
now, Mrs. Seal?
color,
It's a
and
pumpkin. A
size.
big pumpkin.
And it's a sphere.
Look closely
What
at
is
the
that?
turtle's shell.
The turtle shell with a pattern.
Or a dog's fur.
Puppies have patterns on their fur.
Or even
There's
raspberries.
patterns on our fruit and our vegetables.
Or
What
kernels of
vegetable is that,
corn.
Mrs. Seal?
The corn. Orange color.
No matter
The
where you look,
beautiful leaves.
down,
Or all around.
or all around. There's always something to see when you're a nature spy.
Are you a nature spy? I hope so. I hope today you can get outside for a little bit and go for a walk, because that is our Google assignment for today. It says to go for a walk either around your house or outside and find items that you can turn into a letter. Because if you remember yesterday's story, Albert was turning things into letters. I want you to draw a picture of the items you found or write the number of how many items you found. Make sure to write your name and label your picture by sounding out the words and writing the letters. Good job, friends. Story is
Finished.
finished. we are all done. Story is finished, duo, duo. Story is finished, duo, duo. Story is finished, duo, duo. Now it's time for break. All right, check back later
All right.
for lessons. Bye-bye.
Bye.